2, engine 10, engine 6, engine 7, ladder 4, ladder 17, rescue 6, rescue 7, squad 1, battalion 1, battalion 470, squad number 2. You respond 1201 Los Arboles Avenue Northwest, you got a question of 12, Starbucks 10, 6153. Caller stated her car is on fire inside the garage and it is spreading. It's going to be 69 Delta 5. Utilize your MDTs and acknowledge on TAC 1, TAC number 1. This is for engine 10, engine 6, engine 7, ladder 4, ladder 17, rescue 6, rescue 7, squad 1, battalion 1, battalion 4, 78, squad number 2, respond 1201 Los Arboles Avenue Northwest, 69 Delta 5, utilize TAC 1, please, TAC number 1.
Engine 4 alarm, we're clear of that motor vehicle accident, special on that fire call. Engine 4 is on scene. It's going to be a vehicle inside a garage that's fully involved. Engine 4 is going to be pulling the inch 3/4 line. We're going to need a hydrant. Engine 4 has Los Arboles command. We're going to be offensive at this time.
Panel copy, engine 4 is assuming command. Residential. Car fire in a garage extending. Offensive mode. Offensive strategy, quick attack mode. I'm actually pulling up here, engine 4, and I will be assuming command. You will be my attack group. I'll keep an eye out for a hydrant here.